Okay, good morning student. 8th B Maths chapter number 4. Two topics are there, altitude and median. With both definition I'll revise and then we will go to 4.1. What is the meaning of altitude? If triangle is drawn from a vertex perpendicular drawn on opposite side from the vertex of triangle perpendicular drawn on a opposite side, it is altitude. All three altitude from all 3 points will pass from one point. That point is known as orthocenter for O. O is concurrent, means 3 line will pass from single point. So that point is known as concurrent point, and that 3 line are said to be concurrent line. So how to draw? Okay, so on this base just arrange the triangle and shift up to this point and then draw this. Correct. Then again shift on this side. Just change the position. So this is 90, this is 90, and again from this line go ahead like this till this point. Correct. So all three are passing from O. AP perpendicular to BC, BQ perpendicular to AC, AB perpendicular to RC. Why students are sending their name, their roll number? I said no, then only you are sending. So definition number 1, segment joining vertex and which is perpendicular to the opposite side, that is known as altitude. Now median. If it is 6 centimeter, take 0.3 centimeter midpoint. If it is 8 centimeter, take midpoint 4 centimeter. If it is 10 centimeter, take midpoint of 5 centimeter. Then let's see, green is visible or not. Then vertex and midpoint joint. Then vertex and midpoint joint. Then vertex and midpoint joint. So this is G. This point is G. A, B, C, P, Q. So these 3 lines are concurrent. That concurrent point is known as G, gravitational point. G divide all median into 2 parts. Smaller part is half of the longer part, or longer part is double of the smaller part. Follow? Like that distribution are there. So this is the base what I have taught in previous class. On this base, now we will try to complete 4.1. Page number 22, 4.1, question number 1. What happened with it? Whose mic is on? This is perpendicular and this is a midpoint. Y is a midpoint. X is perpendicular. This is MN. This is O. LX is perpendicular to MN. LY is median on MN. Now the question is, in triangle LMN, this is altitude. And this is median. So which is perpendicular, always it is altitude. So LX is altitude, which is midpoint, joining midpoint, that is LY. 2 question answer, only you have to write the answer. Then question number 2. Draw an acute angle PQR. Draw triangle altitude concurrent point O. PQR acute. This is first, this is second. PQR. Any acute means all should be less than 90. PQR. Now take a triangle, your set square, arrange on base, just move like this. And draw the perpendicular. From P, now from Q, arrange on a base, move. Okay, and automatically third will pass from this, so directly you have to draw. No need to take the part. So this is O. From P to A, for example, Q to B, example, R to C, and you have to mark 90 degree, and 90 degree. From vertex perpendicular 90. From vertex perpendicular on opposite. From vertex perpendicular on opposite side. Like that, 3 perpendicular you have to draw and complete the diagram. That is question number 2. You take any triangle, draw 3 altitude. Question number 3. Draw obtuse triangle. Draw its median and show the centroid. Third one. Here triangle PQR is acute. Now third, triangle STV is obtuse. Okay, wait. Here we have to draw altitude. Here we have to draw median. Now see, it is acute means what? All three angles are less than 90. Obtuse triangle or obtuse angle means one angle is more than 90. So, obtuse triangle. So this is more than 90. What is the meaning of obtuse? Any one angle of 3 should be more than 90. Whose mic is on? Disturbing. One angle should be more than 90. That is obtuse triangle. So someone is sharing something. Okay, now third question, draw obtuse angle, median, so the centroid. Now with the scale you have to measure. With the scale you have to measure. It is, for example, 10 centimeters. So when it will be inch, I will convert it to centimeter because it is a big diagram. So midpoint you have to take this, and this much is take a midpoint, and take a midpoint. Okay, automatically we will get that. Don't worry. I have taken midpoint, so STV. TV midpoint is A, for example. TS midpoint is B, for example. And this we will get automatic. How? See. First, we will draw this. First median. Median means vertex and midpoint joining segment. Okay. Second, we will draw like this. Midpoint and opposite. Why I have not taken third? Because direct this and intersection I will take. And the concurrent point is orthocenter O, AB, this is C, and you can mark. This mark different, this different, this different. Here, same all. Same mark will not do because this is a midpoint of this segment, this is a midpoint of this segment, this is midpoint of this segment. Okay, like that. Fourth one. element obtuse. LMN triangle is obtuse. And now altitude. Altitudes we have to do. With obtuse. With obtuse. Now be careful. In obtuse to draw this. So don't take a very big angle. Just more than 90 means 100, around 100. Slightly bigger. Okay, this is element. Now, this obtuse angle side you have to extend in dotted. This obtuse angle sides you have to extend. Correct? Now, take any side. This. So I will pass up to this vertices. And I will draw 90. So from the vertex opposite side it is 90. Now I will take this. Slowly pass up to the vertices. See this. Again that is 90. Now both the side we have to extend. This and this. And from that only all will meet outside. From this vertex is perpendicular, from this vertex is perpendicular, from this vertex is perpendicular. Correct? So LMN, L2O, N2O, M2. So in obtuse you will get that point outside. Ashish Tripathi, what you are doing? Doing time pass. Not interested in math study. So, in between lectures, no, you are touching to the rest of the button, no, that is why the frequency will not be stable. It will be vary, so increase, decrease. So because of that also, see, I am not touching anything. I am away from each and every wire. There are around 7 wires connected: web camera, recorder, laptop, charger, speaker, Wi-Fi adapter. I'm not touching to any. If I touch, it will change the frequency of Wi-Fi. So be alert. Fourth, now fifth, draw right angle triangle. Median, show the points of. In right angle triangle, we have to draw median. X, Y, Z. Okay. Now okay. Now okay. Now we have to draw right angle triangle. Fifth, in right angle triangle XYZ, median. Medians in right angle triangle. See, there are on the base of angle three type of the triangles are. Right angle triangles, at least one angle is 90 degree. Acute angle, all angles are less than 90. Obtuse triangle means at least one angle is more than 90. All less than 90, acute. One more than 90, obtuse. And one angle is right angle, it is known as right angle triangle. So again, okay, now right angle. Whose mic is on? Right angle triangle X, Y. This is 90 degree. So you have to show the box mark. Now median. So we will find out the midpoint. This midpoint. Okay, and here 23. Third I will not show because third automatically you will get. How? Okay, this is A, this is B. C automatically we will get. So A you have to join. Now from B also we have to join. For Y, from Y, this intersection point we have to join. Otherwise your diagram will wrong. So just use this method. So when you will join this and this, automatically you will get C. So A is a midpoint of YZ. B is a midpoint of XY, C is a midpoint of XZ. So these are the three medians on right angle triangle. Median always G, perpendicular altitude where it meets always O. Here I have written wrong, G, O. Correct. Concurrent point of altitude O, orthocenter. Concurrent common point of median G, that gravity point center. On the knock of the metal point you can balance that thing. In some magic and balance walk of the show you must have seen, they uh, lift the thing on a sharp thing, full bike or bicycle or chair. So that is a point of gravity, G, that center point where the total gravitational force applied. That is a higher sense. In 10th standard you will learn. So how the balance, chair up to chair, cycle and the things, a stone on a sharp knock, how to balance. So that balancing point is G, gravitational point, center gravitational point. Sixth question. What? Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all its median, altitude, write the observation. Very good question. Now we have to draw isosceles. On the side base there are three types of the triangle. All three sides are equal, then it is an equilateral triangle. If two sides are only equal, then isosceles triangle. If no two sides are equal, all three sides are different, scalene. 4, 5, 6. So it is a scalene. Two sides only equal, it is isosceles. Three sides equal, it is a equilateral triangle. So here they have given isosceles triangle. See, from 60 student to all of sudden 60 plus to only 40 plus. Where this 20 student gone? Okay. This is isosceles triangle, whose two sides are equal. How to draw? First you have to take the base, and from here say mark. So you get isosceles triangle. Now the name of isosceles triangle is not given, so we will take A, B and C. Now it is still tightly slanted. Okay. Now for isosceles triangle, median and altitude on the base are the same. So median and altitude are the same. Perpendicular itself, it is altitude also and median also. Second, we'll find the midpoint. We'll find the midpoint. So now this is by midpoint, it is G. This is P, Q, R. Now we will draw altitude. So one altitude itself, it is this. Altitude and median are common. Now for this, it is perpendicular. Perpendicular will come slightly down if isosceles two equal sides are longer. And when we use this, so this is 90. Color I am using. This is 90. This is also 90. PQR, now this is MN. So by green intersection, that is also on perpendicular O and G. So O means by altitude and G by median. Are on same segment. What is that same segment? Altitude or median on the base. On the base, what you have drawn, altitude or the median. So this both the point lies on this same point. Sorry, both the points are on a same segment. So in isosceles triangle, O and G are lies on a same segment. Which segment is that? That segment is, you can say median also, you can say altitude also. That is the same. In textbook, one diagram is given. You just have to measure and write the reading. Seventh one. It is given. Median it is given. Correct. A, B, C, R, P, Q. Okay, now we have to find out RG. RG, GB, AP, then GC, then BQ, then AG, then GP. Okay, this is they have given 2.5 centimeter. This is also they have given 6 centimeter. This is also they have given 6 centimeter. Now you can measure or directly you can write on the principle. AP is 6. So this must be 2 and 4. So AG will be 1/3, 2. If you will measure now, you will find 2 centimeter. By scale you have to measure. this much. Now BQ. If BG is 6, this will be 3, so this total will be 9. By scale you have to measure, don't worry. GC, PG is 2.5, so this will be the double 5, so only GC they have asked, no, so 5 centimeter. And GP, that for GP, AP is not given, AP is given, no, AP is given 6, so GP is 4. If you will measure G to P, it will be 4 centimeter. So here you have to write only the answer. With the scale you have to measure. You know how to measure the segment. If it is like this much, no, point to point, with the scale I will measure this. It is 3.5 centimeter. Like that, whatever they have asked, no, you just put a scale, dot to dot. AG, from A to G find out. CG, from C to G find out. BC, from B to C find out with the scale. Follow? So dear student, first of all take the screenshot. I'll move. Take a screenshot. This is a full solution of 4.1. Wait. Wait, no, bacha. Give me time.